Now we are starting with the second part of the chapter life processes, that is respiration. There is a activity 6.4. What is the aim of the activity? To show that exhaled air contains carbon dioxide. The air we breathe out contains carbon dioxide, or कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टर्न्स लाइम वाटर मिल्की, दोनों में. तो इसमें हमने क्या किया? व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर? इन अ टेस्ट ट्यूब टेक अ फ्रेशली प्रिपेयर्ड लाइम वाटर and exhale into it, just blow out. What will happen? This lime water will turn milky. This shows that air which we exhale contains carbon dioxide. And the second part is that we take a empty syringe or pichkari and just blow air into the lime water. पिचकारी को खाली या सिरिंज को अगर हम उसको खाली करेंगे, सारी हवा किस में डालें? इस टेस्ट ट्यूब में, विच इज़ कंटेनिंग लाइम वाटर, then this lime water turns milky. So both these procedures, they show that air which we exhale contain carbon dioxide, or the air contains carbon dioxide. Then the activity 6.5, this activity, the aim of the activity is that carbon dioxide is released during the process of fermentation. During the process of fermentation. तो कैसे करेंगे हम इसके लिए? कि take some sugar और fruit juice, कुछ भी मीठे, sugar solution or fruit juice in a test tube and add some, this is fruit juice or sugar solution, add some yeast powder to it. Now the reaction will take place, and take another test tube which contains lime water, and these two test tubes, they are connected by means of a delivery tube which is bent twice at right angle. This is the tube. So what we have taken in a test tube, we have taken the lime juice, not lime juice, fruit juice or sugar solution. We have added yeast to it, and in another tube we have taken lime water, and the two test tubes are connected by means of a delivery tube which are bent twice at right angle. So after some time we will see that this lime water, it turns milky. तो lime water milky कब turn होता है? In the presence of carbon dioxide. It means fruit juice and yeast, they reacted and carbon dioxide was produced, जो यहाँ से गई, and it turned lime water milky. Now, what do we mean by the process of respiration? In primary classes we have done that respiration is simply intake of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. Let us see the definition of respiration. Respiration is intake of oxygen, and this oxygen is used for oxidation of food, and when oxidation of food takes place, it results in production of energy, and with the production of energy, carbon dioxide is released, and finally it is release of carbon dioxide. Respiration can be defined as intake of oxygen, oxidation of food, and this oxidation of food results in production of energy, and finally the release of carbon dioxide. हम कितना भी फूड खाएं, फूड हमें तब तक एनर्जी प्रोवाइड नहीं करेगा जब तक कि उसका ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होगा, यानी वो ऑक्सीजन से रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा. Food can provide us energy only after reacting with oxygen. So when food reacts with oxygen or it is oxidized, it produces carbon dioxide, water, and energy is released. This energy is released in the form of ATP and this carbon dioxide, then it is released outside the body. This is the actual definition of respiration.